For the Neoplatonists, also there is a couple of gods that are very important and are Apollo and Dionysus. And Apollo is the god of cosmos, structure, and the light of the intellect. And Dionysus is more the immanent nous, or the immanent intellect. And they are like brothers, and they are connected to the world soul in Proclus' interpretation of the myth, because Apollo is a healer and Dionysus is dismembered in the myth by the Titans. And when Dionysus is fragmented, Apollo, as a god of unity, is a god that heals the multiplicity and brings it back to unity. And for that reason, Apollo and the Muses represent this harmony within multiplicity and the return of the soul to primordial unity.